Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I'm here to do the weekly setup in my work planner, which is a DIY disc-bound half-letter planner made with printable inserts that are available to Scrapcraftastic patron elites. It is in a A5 disc-bound cover by Moterm in burgundy. These discs are from Park Lane. They are sold in Joann, and they are terrible. I do have the other disc that I want to change out, but we're not going to do that today. I think I'll save it for either when I do the monthly for December, or I'll save it for next week. This week, I'm just going to go ahead and dive in to the setup for the 28th through the 4th of December, 28th of November, 4th of December. So, okay, yeah, I remember that we do not fight with the discs. We just move on. Okay, I have this washi tape that I want to use. It's all from Simply Gilded. I think it goes pretty well with the stickers that I chose. I want to use these stickers from Isis Ella Jewels. I may not use all of them. I think this is the main one that I'm going to use. So there won't be a whole lot of deco unless I can think of some other stickers that I have that are decorative. Then I have these boxes that are from a Piper Paper Company kit. So let's go ahead and put down this washi. The green and pink washi I've had for a while. This washi was in a recent haul from Simply Gilded, and I think it's just really pretty. The pink Christmas trees. It feels a little weird though. It feels like it has that sticky residue on it, but this is brand new washi. So I don't know why it feels like that. It might just be, it's super sticky though. Wow. Let's try this metal ruler, see if it works better. Nope. It's interesting. It's not tearing very well. Let's try again. Okay, still didn't tear quite right. I don't know what's going on with that. All right, let's move on to this. I'm going to use the wide one and go inside the box again. See, that cuts no problems. There's something different about that pink washi. Now that cut a little crooked. Now I'm going to supplement with other boxes. I don't know if I have the right colors. Probably not. Yeah, I could use these. So I'm going to supplement with boxes from Roy G. Biv, Boxes and Florals by Kelva Plan. I have volume 1 and 2, and I'm almost finished with them. There is a volume 3 that I wanted to get, and I missed it on Black Friday. It was sold out by the time I remembered to go check. So there's that. I was gonna buy quite a bit, but when I didn't get that, then I just decided not to get anything. That's the only thing I don't like about the planning community shops, is that it's like you have to rush to buy things. I don't like that. Or you'll miss out and you won't be able to get it. And I think that creates a lot of the FOMO. And I understand these are small businesses, so that they can only have minimal stock or whatever, but still it's quite disappointing. but can't have everything. Let's do it like this. I don't think I put that over far enough. Let's see if I have any more in volume 2. I have really used up the stickers in these 2 books, but they were excellent. I might use some of those florals too. Let's see, is there any green in here before I settle on the pink? That's a different color green, and I don't have any other size. Quite a bit of that is going to be covered. Okay, where is that lovely pink? So I think that gives me a pretty decent base. I got one weird green, but maybe we can overlook it with this small sticker from Isis Ella Jewels, and maybe I'll use this one too. Kind of like it better right here. Let's do it. And I'm just gonna put holidays up here. Let's put it there. Oh, I forgot all about these boxes. Okay. Let's play with these. I got so caught up with Color Plan. But I guess I can put Instagram stuff in these. Usually I put information about, that one is crooked. Usually I put information about my YouTube videos in these, in case you were wondering. But I can also use them for other information. And I've also figured out that I like to use the monthly to track my Patreon perks. So I'm tracking whatever I'm offering on Patreon there. It's gonna be bukus of boxes. Let's use one more up here. Should I do it like that or like that? Or like that? All right. Boxes galore, very little deco. Let's get some silver. Let's see. Okay, so since I went a little crazy with the boxes, I think I'll just add some washi tape and call it good. I don't think we're gonna need any more deco. I think the washi tape will complement what we got going on, and then we'll be good. Add a little more sparkle. Since I missed the sparkle and shine in my everyday planner this week, we'll make up for it here. So I haven't pulled out my Christmas supplies officially yet. So I don't have a lot of deco options available. I did set up my sticker storage for my small stickers. So there's a little something in here. Let's see, I can use some of these small gifts to spice it up a little bit. Let's do to-do, plan. Let's see today. So we got plan, and then let's do to-do here. And I think I'm gonna call that good. I don't know, I'm just not in the spirit yet. I do really need to go through my Christmas supplies. Let me know in the comments below if you would like me to basically unbox them and sort them and see what I'm going to use with you. Let me know in the comments. As far as this spread, it is very simple. I used boxes from CHELA Plan, washi tape from Simply Gilded, and the decorative doll stickers are from Isis Ella Jewels. The inserts and the large scripts are available to Scrapcraftastic patron elites. And I pretty much think that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you may be interested in these other videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.